everybody, this is Lisa with your kick-ass news flash of what's up at American Eagle. What's up? It is Harley-Davidson's National Open House this Saturday. That's right, Saturday the 25th. It is a national open house, but you know what? We're kicking ass and doing it American Eagle style. We're going to start off by telling you that on any 2022 Harley-Davidson we have in stock, we are doing retail for trade. So come on in. If you're looking for that 2022 Harley-Davidson, now's the time to get it. We only have so many left on the showroom floor, so if you want one, this is the weekend, one day only, for you to come in and get retail for trade. How about winning a tattoo sleeve 12-hour session with Billy Jack, AE Tattoo, or a near-free haircut with Buzzbone Barber? We are giving all that away on Saturday, so make sure you come in, check in, get your keyword, and see whether or not you are a winner, because the winner will be announced Saturday at 4:50 p.m. How does that sound? What else we got going on? We got a showroom of 2023 Harley-Davidsons. Now's the time for you to take one of those for a test ride as well. Boots. How about some kick-ass boots? Stop in and get your boots there, 20% off. We have in our parts department and our service department. Buy one tire, you get 10% off parts and labor. You get two, you get 15% off. So if you need some rubber to get ready for spring, stop in and get that taken care of as well, because we are here to make sure you are safe while you are on the road. But wait, there's more. The American girls are back, so make sure that you come, see them, say hi. We have a couple new girls we can't wait for you to meet. No one's going to be pinstriping. Oh, guess what? We got two bands going on. First band starts at 10 a.m. That is Rock Radio. They're going to be kicking ass on stage up until 1 o'clock. And at 1:30, Ashmore is back. So we're stoked about having them. They're going to be ending the day. They're going on stage at 1:30. They're going to be ending at 5. TCAP is going to be in doing low-cost vaccination. So if you got some furry friends, bring them from 10 to 2. Cody's Rescue is going to be here looking for some furry friends looking for a new home. And they're going to be serving beer in the afternoon for donations. So make sure you come out. There is so much going on this weekend. We have the 120th tour pass going. So what this is going to be is there's going to set up 5 locations through the dealership, and you're going to get keywords for the Harley-Davidson giveaways. We're going to give you swag, but if you RSVP'd and you are one of the 70, you're going to check in at the desk and you're going to get one of these babies. So make sure that you are pre-signed up for one of these. First responders or policemen, firefighters, first responders, our patch wall is coming up. So if you are one of them, make sure you bring a patch so we can get that hung up on our wall as well. So much going on. Be ready for a kick-ass day. We're going to be ready. All we need is for you. So we will see you Saturday. The party starts at 10.